Here's a 2020 BMW M2. It isn't made to take it easy, it's made to make it easy to find the thrills around every corner. It comes nicely equipped with features you love: twin-turbo i6 engine, rear-wheel drive, engine auto stop-start feature, hands-free liftgate, integrated navigation system with voice activation, full-service internet access, front heated leather sport seats, streaming audio, dual-zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, and manual transmission. Top Gear adds it's really amusing to drive. Simple as that. Built for those who don't compromise on quality or driving pleasure. Built to be a BMW. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,